Bold Energy USA would like to introduce this week's Dealer Spotlight.
My name is Jamie Riddle. I'm with Specialty Car Company. I'm President and General Manager. We've been in business for 47 years. Started in 1978 as a club car dealer. We have been focused on commercial since the beginning. We've been a carry-all dealer since 1985 when Club Car Carry-All came out. We have a heavy focus on service. Our business model is based on keeping customers happy, and that is important. When you've been in business as long as we have, longevity is important, product quality is important.
As a veteran-owned family business serving the Atlanta area since 1978, they've built a reputation on quality, trust, and unmatched customer service.
We tried several different lithium vendors and learned that their ability to answer questions, solve problems was challenging. So communication was a critical part of us moving forward with a lithium product, especially when everyone claims their warranty is 5 or 10 years, but you don't know if they're going to be around. I know Bolt, and I'm quite certain they will be around for the entirety of the warranty. Our first experience just with questions about how to install lithium batteries in GM products, some of the quirky things that are required, we got answers really quick, which gives our technicians confidence.
What we love most about Specialty Car Company is their dedication to excellence at every step, from helping you choose the perfect cart to ongoing maintenance, service, and customization.
When we get a Bolt kit in, it is a complete kit. Our technicians, all they have to do is take it to their bay and install it. There's no additional parts we need to go get. And again, that is important to the technician. It gives them confidence in what they're installing and they know it's easy. Well, we have a long history working with Jeffrey Allen through either renting cars in the wintertime down there. So I knew we were not going to have any problems with any communication. Our confidence is high.
They offer one of the largest selections of golf carts in the region, from electric and gas club car models to 2-seaters, 4-passenger carts, 6-seaters, shuttles, utility vehicles, and more.
We see with the number of new golf car owners and new products in the market that have been inundated in the last 5 years, there's a lot of golf cars that will need to be serviced, which will increase our service business. That's one of our areas of growth, as well as rentals. We see rentals as a large growth opportunity for us, and we've implemented the Volt battery into our electric rentals for our long-term rental customers to eliminate any battery maintenance. The support, the communication is good. It's very easy to communicate and get answers. I think that's the most important part of this process when you have a new product, is to know that you're going to have support. When you put something in someone else's car and you need to answer to that customer if something goes wrong, to turn around and know that you have support is a good thing.
If you're looking to upgrade, customize, or find the perfect new ride, visit Specialty Car Company today and experience the superior service and selection that makes them one of Georgia's most trusted dealerships.
Be sure to like and subscribe to the Bolt Energy USA YouTube channel for more installs, dealer spotlights, and product videos. And we'll see you in the next one.